Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I want to give you my final review on the OnePlus 9 Pro. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I just want to go over some things I like and some things I dislike about the phone, and actually tell you an experience that just happened while I'm trying to film this in the car. So let's get into the video. The OnePlus 9 Pro came out and it costs over $1,000 for this phone if you wanted the 9 Pro. So OnePlus is getting up there with their prices. They up there already. I won't say getting up there. They up there with the big boys. But there are some things I do like about this phone, and there's some things I don't like. And is it worth it? We might try to answer that, coming up in the part of this video. So let's go ahead and start it off with the things I don't like about it. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the battery life. For me, I was expecting more from the battery because Oxygen OS is pretty simple. I wasn't expecting the battery drain that I get on this phone. Now, with that said too, does it really matter too much? Not really, because you can charge this phone really quick, like super quick. So that kind of outweighs it, but if you're looking for a battery life to be amazing, it's definitely not. Now, some people drive slow. Y'all let me know how everything looks and how does I sound. I am using the OnePlus 9 Pro to film this, and let's get into that part of it. I had to cut the video off already because the phone overheated. It just wouldn't shoot the video. It said it was getting too hot, and it cut the video off. It is a little hot in Texas. It is in the windshield, but my windshield is tinted though. But it overheated, and it still has that issue. Not everyone is having that issue, but I can tell you my phone still has that issue because it just cut off. I don't know if it's going to cut off this time either, but I had to cool it off, put it in the air condition, and now it's working so far. But I don't know, some of the issues that you have with this phone, it shouldn't be having, but it is what it is. I like to give you my experiences. I have overheating issues. You might get the phone and might not have it, but I can tell you I'm still having the overheating issues. Also with the camera, the video, the 4K video, the 8K video, the 4K at 120 FPS looks great. The video camera on here is good. I mean, it's excellent. I don't have a problem with it. The mics actually sound pretty good too. So I think this video is going to actually look good and sound good. OnePlus, even with the Hasselblad deal that they have, I know they spent a lot of money on it. The photos are still struggling. Yes, I know OnePlus said they're going to update it. I have received updates on this phone already. Has it gotten better? Yes. Is it $1,000 worthy better? No. But I think actually the cameras would do good for everyday folks, as far as, if you're taking Facebook or Snapchat or Instagram. I don't think you have a problem, but hey, that's just my experience. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the photos. And how does the car sound, by the way, too? The Chrysler 300. I know it sounds beastly. I know that. Also, the other thing I don't like about the phone is the glossy back in the metal. I mean, the glass back with the glossy finish. Yeah, I wish they had the matte finish on all the colors, but they decided not to do that. So this phone has a glossy back, and it's annoying sometimes. Not gonna lie, it really is annoying. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that part of it. Let's see what else. There's not much. I mean, I wish it had the headphone jack, but I have Bluetooth headphones, but sometimes you just want to plug it in and you do not have a headphone jack. I know we're still talking about headphone jacks in 2021, but y'all let me know what y'all think about no headphone jacks. And Converse in San Antonio area is growing. Look at all these buildings back here. I didn't even know that all these houses was coming back this way. That is crazy. think I'm gonna turn around now. Looks like the roller is closed. Now let's go over the things I do like about the phone. I love Oxygen OS. It works great with Android 11. Will you see Android 12 on here? Yes, because you can get the beta already. But Android 11 with Oxygen OS has been great. No problems there. Using the phone every day as a phone has been really good. Phone calls, text messages, everything works great on the phone. So overall, using it as a phone has been really good too. Again, the cameras are good as far as the video. I love the cameras. I love the overall experience with the phone. The display has been amazing. I don't know if I can go as good as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra display, but this display has actually been really good. I don't have any complaints about it. I actually just got a warning about the phone overheating. We're 7 minutes into this video. So that's that same problem again. It probably will cut off very soon. If you're looking to pick up this phone, like I said, you probably can get it cheaper now for $1,000. Is it worth $1,000? That is the question. Anytime you review a phone, people ask you. I don't think any phone is worth over $1,000, but this phone has the specs like any other $1,000 phone. It has a Snapdragon 880 processor. It has a lot of RAM. I think it had 12 gigs of RAM. I think I have 256 gigs of storage. I don't even remember anymore because I have so many different phones. So it has all the features there. Do your homework. See if you like it. Make the decision to buy it. If you don't, then I guess you can return it or just keep it. It's up to you. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have the device, in the comments below, let's get a discussion going. Let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. If you're thinking about picking it up, if you have any additional questions I didn't answer in this video, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now. I'm out.